Hello and welcome to class. In today's class, we'll be looking at word problems. Consider the question. The sum of three consecutive numbers is 60. What is the smallest number? Now, the first step to solving any word problem is to interpret each sentence and then translate these sentences into algebraic expressions using letters of the alphabet or symbols to represent unknown numbers. Therefore, I'm going to use letter X to represent these three consecutive numbers. So if the first number is X, the second number will be X plus 1, and the third number will be X plus 2. This means that X plus 1 plus X plus 2 is equal to 60. Now X plus X plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 60. X plus X is 2X. 2X plus X is 3X. Plus 1 plus 2 is 3 equal to 60. So here now, I'm going to collect like terms so that I can have 3x on the left-hand side of the equation. So in collecting like terms, positive 3 becomes negative 3. Therefore, I have 3x equal to 60 minus 3. Now, 3x is equal to 60 minus 3 is 57. If 3x is equal to 57, the value of x can be determined by dividing both sides with the coefficient of x, which is positive 3. Therefore, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 3 cancel 3, I have x is equal to 57 divided by 3 is equal to 19. Therefore, x is equal to 19. X plus 1, which is the second number, is equal to 19 plus 1, which is 20. And x plus 2 is equal to 19 plus 2, which is 21. So the numbers are 19, 20, and 21. Now the smallest number is 19. Therefore the answer is B. Let's look at another question. There are two numbers. If the first number is x and the second number is twice the first, find the sum of their reciprocals. Now recall that the first step to solving any word problem is to interpret the sentences, translate them into algebraic expressions, and then use letters of the alphabet or symbols to represent unknown numbers. Now, if the first number is x, and the second number is twice the first number, it therefore means that the second number is 2x. To find the sum of their reciprocals, we need to find the reciprocals of this number. The reciprocal of x is 1 over x. While the reciprocal of 2x is 1 over 2x. Now to find the sum of their reciprocals, I have 1 over x plus 1 over 2x. Now to solve this fraction, I'm going to find the LCM of x and 2x. The LCM is 2x. Now 2x divided by x is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 2x divided by 2x is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Therefore, the answer is 3 over 2x. The answer is B. So I want you to try out this activity. Number 1. If 30 is divided by the sum of 3 and z, the result is 5. Find z. Number 2. The sum of two numbers is 15 and their difference is 7. Find the numbers. Now the hint to the second question is simultaneous linear equations. So try out these questions and write your answers in the comment section.